Hello, my name is Candace O'Brien, and I'm the Director of Advocates for Surrogacy, a surrogacy agency located in Miami, Florida. Today I would like to speak about one of the questions I'm asked so often by intended parents considering a surrogacy arrangement, and that is, why do surrogacy arrangements have to cost in excess of $100,000? My answer to that is yes, a surrogacy arrangement can indeed cost in excess of $100,000, but it doesn't have to. It's all about careful planning and understanding where savings can be had. One of the main factors, of course, is the surrogate's compensation. Experienced surrogates are going to normally ask for higher levels of compensation, sometimes in excess of $25,000 to $30,000, even higher. Is it necessary to work with a surrogate who is experienced? It is not. It can give you some peace of mind. It can serve as a reference for how that experience might go, but it's not an absolute necessity. One of the other areas that is very important and should never be ignored is insurance. Does the surrogate have insurance? If she does, then it's still very, very important to get an idea of what exactly the policy provides. Does it have an exclusion? What is the history of the insurance with respect to surrogacy arrangements? One does not want to assume in this area. But obviously, if a surrogate has insurance, that would be the best option. There are other options if a surrogate doesn't have insurance, such as surrogacy insurance, complications insurance, or purchasing private insurance. All of these different options have costs attached. And so intended parents have to watch that element very carefully. Another area is, of course, fertility clinic costs. And depending on which fertility clinic one is working with, there may be very competitive packages offered, which can help drive down the costs. In some cases, fertility clinics have arrangements with financing options, which can help, at least with upfront costs. And finally, travel costs can really increase the costs of a surrogacy arrangement, and it may not be an area where intended parents are paying enough attention in the beginning, and it can add thousands and thousands of dollars to the cost of a surrogacy arrangement. If, for example, your surrogate has to travel distances for the fertility clinic treatment, or an egg donor, if that's going to be part of your surrogacy arrangement. So as you can see, details matter. Planning matters. And that is what Advocates for Surrogacy really specializes at, is looking at your budget and really looking at each situation in detail to determine what the real costs are going to be in a particular situation. I hope you find this helpful, and please don't hesitate to contact us if we can be of any more assistance. Thank you.